Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add cross-platform friends in College Football 27. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, you just need to go to settings, then go to game settings. Right here, if you go to crossplay tab, you're gonna see the option crossplay. So you have to make sure that this option should be turned on. Once you're sure about this, just back out, and now you need to press back key on your Xbox controller and touchpad on your PlayStation controller. Once you do that, you should be able to see EA Connect window, and right here we need to go to player search tab. Right here you can see this is my EA ID. So in order to add your cross platform friend, you should have the EA ID of that friend, and you need to enter that EA ID right here. So let me type the EA ID of my friend and just simply search, and then you can see we have this drop down other platforms. Simply open the drop down and you should be able to see the ID of your friend. So simply highlight the ID of your friend and select the option add friend, and the friend request will be sent to your friend. Now you can simply view the request. Once he accepts the request, he'll be added in the friends list. And that's exactly how you'll be able to add cross platform friends in College Football 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.